hand. Remember, your hands are as high as your eyebrows. It's gonna come across your body and it's gonna touch the top of your right side, the top of your chest. Then your shoulders are going to turn, your shoulders and hips around your... In this live self-defense training video, you're gonna discover how to keep your hands up, get your hands up, train this simple self-defense method at home. This is gonna be a starting level. This is not all of the method. This is the beginning part, but there's not a lot to it. You can learn this at home if you do a little bit every day. The first thing that I want you to do is a simple warm-up. With your hands out, make your circles forward with your fingers facing the ground. You're gonna do this to get the blood flowing, get the heart rate up a little bit. Just have your feet under your body. You don't have to have any special stance. Pull your thumbs back and circle back. It is important when you train self-defense at home that you properly warm up. You wanna stay safe from injury when you're training self-defense at home. Cross the hands through the middle and turn the palms up. The most important part of this is gonna be keeping your hands up though. As long as you can remember, keep your hands up as you're training self-defense at home, you will go a long way to be able to defend yourself in basic, simple situations. When it comes to self-defense, now turn your body. This is not a street fighting. This is not fighting in the cage. This isn't fighting for a competition. It's not school fighting. It's not fighting a bully. This is how to defend yourself against a bad person who's trying to hurt you. Pull your hands up as you go to the side. You'll see in the mirror behind me, I'm lifting my heel a little bit on the opposite foot. I want you to do that to get a better stretch, better range of motion. After you go side to side, you're gonna make big arm circles forward. Continue to warm your body up. Hello, Adrish. Hello, Emmett. It's good to see you. Keep your hands up. We're gonna do some self-defense training at home. Bring your hands back, circles back. The most important part of self-defense training are the principles of self-defense. The first principle is going to be situational awareness. So remember to pay attention to what's happening around you. Put your phone in your pocket or put it in your bag when you're out walking. Put your hands here, chin down, back. I want you to properly warm up the body, stay safe from injury. Look to one side and the other side. You're just going side to side. Look from side to side. Yeah, Sensei Emmett said it's been a while. It's nice to see everybody. Adrish, it's good to see you. And then roll in the front from one ear to the next. Now, shoulders back, make big circles. Shoulders forward. Pinch them up and down. And now turn your hips out. Put your hands on your hips for better balance. Make a big wide circle. Go in one direction, just a few times the other direction. A little bit of warm-up like this before you train self-defense at home will keep you safe from injury. Now you're gonna jog in place, and jogging can look different to different people. Remember, age is just a number. If you're starting out and you haven't been physically agile for a while or fit, you haven't been doing anything for a while, just walk in place. If you're a little bit more progress, you made more progress in your fitness, or you're not as limited in your fitness, then pick it up. You can even lift the knees higher, get your heart rate up, and open up the hips a little bit. Now pull the knees out to the side, and then pull the feet up in the back like you're trying to kick yourself back there. And again, if you need to slow it down, just bring one foot up. But I do want you to pull the foot up and activate the muscles in the front part of your leg and your quadriceps. So you can either walk, you can jog, or you can run. If you're super fit, go for it. Go a little bit more running. Now, from here, I want you to punch across the body. And Adrish asked about jumping jacks. We can add jumping jacks into some workouts. This one, I want you to keep it super simple and light because we're starting at the beginning of keep your hands up, this simple self-defense training method at home. Across the body, and then you're gonna punch up and across the body. You're gonna feel this stretches out the back. Forces you to engage your core muscles, your belly goes tight, keep your chin down, then punch down and across the body. Slow as smooth, smooth as fast, take your time, get a nice full range of motion. And then we got one more, bring your knee across to the other hand. And it can be slow, or it can be a little bit quicker, but go at your own speed. There's no way to do this wrong as long as you keep moving. Coming side to side. And now we're ready to start. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is learn how to throw a 1-2 combination and make a lateral move. That's the first part of this self-defense training method at home. Simple self-defense. Your hands have to stay up. This is the one rule that I have. Hello, Matthew. Yeah, keep a beginner's mind, Matthew says. Keep your hands up, and I want you to think of this rule. Your knuckles, your thumb knuckles should be as high as your eyebrow. If it's down here, you're gonna get hit. Anywhere under your face, you're gonna get hit when you need to defend yourself. Put your hands here and start in what's called a flinch block. So your hands, your thumb knuckle is as high as that eyebrow. Elbows in, tuck them in a little bit, pull your stomach up and in, drop your chin. First position, keep your hands up, is this flinch block starting position. Put your left foot in front of the right. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, put your right foot in front of the left. You can switch it. You can even practice both sides. But you're gonna be here, drop those elbows, and I want you to punch left and punch right and step to the right. Punch left and right and step to the left. You're just throwing your 2 punches and take a lateral move. 2 punches and a lateral move or a side step to get out of the way and start to warm up your body and prepare your body for self-defense. Learning this simple self-defense training method at home requires that you get more mobile than you might be comfortable with. So go slow at first. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Remember, age is just a number. There's not gonna be any limitation except the ones you put on yourself in your head. So modify, figure it out, but take some steps, take some action. You could even have use a walker, or you could use a cane, a walking cane, and you can practice moving the way you can, right? Even if you're with a walker, you can practice stepping from side to side. Then sit down in a chair and practice your punches. Don't limit yourself. You don't know what you can do. I don't know, only God knows. So get up and move. So you're throwing 1, 2, and move. Now when you punch, I want you to close your fist tightly. Your fingers are gonna roll in so you don't see the fingernail. See how that's flat? Your thumb is gonna come here and pull down this way, not that way. A lot of people make a fist and they go like this, and then it changes the structure of their fist, and you hit that knuckle, and it snaps your wrist back, and then it hurts, and you think, I don't know how to punch right. So you're gonna roll the fingers down, make sure that the fingernails are in there, and you're gonna put the thumb right there on the first 2 fingers only, not over, but just right there. Now that's gonna be a nice square fist, and you're gonna hit with the 2 big knuckles. Your hands are here, you're gonna punch 1, 2, step over, or I like to start with open hands. Looks like hey, stop, back up. You're trying to stop the fight. Now with your feet, you're making 2 steps, 1 to your right, 1 to your left. When you go to the right, start with the right first. When you go to your left, start with the left first. That's the only rule. The only thing you have to remember is when you go this way, your hands are up here, go that way, this foot first. The only rule you have to remember is don't cross your feet. Anytime you cross your feet and you get hit, you're gonna fall to the ground, and you better know how to jitsu, because they're gonna ground and pound, or they're gonna kick your head in. So your hands are up, your foot's forward, your hands are here, you're gonna step over and step back. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I want you to do this for 5 minutes. Take breaks if you have to. Do it in 30-second bouts, 30-second sprints. 1, 2, step, 1, 2. 30 seconds is easy, speed it up. You're gonna find that throwing punches in the air is gonna give you an amazing workout in your arms and shoulders, just by punching. Tuck your chin, turn your shoulders and your hips, and when you throw that punch, turn that fist over so that the pinky knuckle goes higher than this knuckle. That's gonna keep your arm punching straight. Turn your shoulders and hips. Turn your shoulders and hips. And when you punch, make sure you're punching from a stable position. Don't punch until you've landed the step. So you're here with your left foot forward, 2 punches, then step, don't move. 2 punches, step, don't punch while you're stepping. I want you to throw the punch and then move, throw the punch and then move back. You're going side to side, side to side. You're gonna do that over and over and over again. Then, after 5 minutes, we're going to close the distance. This is the second part that I want you to learn. I'm gonna show you a lot more punches in this simple self-defense method that you can train at home when you learn how to keep your hands up. But the second thing I want you to learn how to do today is throw an elbow. So if you're this far out, you're throwing punches. When they've closed the distance, or you've had to close the distance, then you're gonna throw elbows. And the first elbow I want you to throw is going to be a horizontal elbow, because it's super simple, super easy, right? You're gonna take your left hand, remember your hands are as high as your eyebrows, it's gonna come across your body and it's gonna touch the top of your right side, the top of your chest. Then your shoulders are going to turn, your shoulders and hips around your, this part right here is coming in to the side of his face, into his temple, into the neck for self-defense, into the arm. He might be a lot taller than you. You might be sitting, you might be striking a different part of his body. So from this distance, I'm this far away, I'm gonna slide in and I'm gonna turn and slide in this way. So 1, 2, and then come back out. So if you have a bag, you can use it. If you don't have a bag, don't use the bag, just punch the air. So your hands are here, and step in and step in. When I say step, I mean step with your foot. So if this is your foot, you take the step and you take the step back. Take the step. When you throw the front elbow, step back. Back elbow, step back. Your feet don't cross, but you're going to move forward. As you strike, move in with your foot, stepping in and stepping in with the hand, still the front foot when you throw the backside. So from here, 1, from here, 2, from here, 1, 2. And again, for about 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes on that one. You're gonna find that you're gonna start to get fatigued as you go through the workout. Then I want you to put those two together in today's workout. So from here, I want you to keep your hands up. In this simple self-defense method that you can train at home, I want you to throw 1 punch, 2 punches, and then step in for 2 elbows. So you're gonna start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and step back. Far, and then close. 1, 2, close the distance, and your goal is to end the fight with that elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. For self-defense, if you can knock them out, striking the side of the head, into the jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, step and throw. 1, 2, step and throw those elbows. And again, you're gonna try to go between 2 to 5 minutes. This whole workout today is only about 15 to 20 minutes long. About 5 minutes for a good warm-up, 5 minutes, 2 punches and a lateral move. 2 punches and step. We're gonna call that the first thing you need to know when you wanna learn this simple self-defense method to train at home. Is 2 punches and moving out of the way. The second thing are horizontal elbows, so that we're covering immediately this idea that sometimes you're far, sometimes you're close. From here, you're far, you're throwing punches. When you're close, you're throwing elbows. And there are other things that you can do when you're close, and we'll work on all that later. But I want you to have a simple foundation that keeps you safe by keeping your hands up first, and then learning this simple self-defense method you can train at home. So finish with 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back, step forward. Always keep one foot in front of the other one. Always keep your body a smaller target. Always fight.